Hi guys, welcome back to study. Today we have very specific topic because today we are going to make a screen recorder with using OpenCV and Python, and we'll also use another module PyAutoGui to take the screenshot. So I hope guys, if you are working with OpenCV, then you have already installed OpenCV and NumPy. So if you have installed OpenCV, then it is okay, and if you have not PyAutoGui, then you can use the pip command. Okay, so I hope you have installed the things with pip command for OpenCV Python and NumPy and also PyAutoGui. So let's get started with creating our app. So first of all, we'll import CV2, and next we'll import NumPy, and let's import NumPy as NP. Next, let's import also PyAutoGui. You can use pip command for those things, OpenCV and also PyAutoGui. Now let's display the screen resolution. So I am passing here 1366 to 768 because it is my current laptop screen. You can get it from the OS settings. So now let's define some codecs for 4cc because we are going to make the things, the videos from 4cc codec. So we'll call cv2.videorider underscore 4cc, and under this let's pass the codec svid. Okay, that's it. We have made the codec. Now let's create the video writer for CV2. So we'll call it in a variable, and let's call here cv2 dot video writer, and let's pass here the name of the recording. I will pass it in a folder called recordings. So I'm naming it as recordings, and next we'll have the name for a screen recording video. So let's initialize the name as a screen recording, and I will also pass here the time.strf time, and under that I'm getting the hour, minute, second, and also current date, month, and year. Okay, so that will be the file name, and let's add the extension. I'm naming it, adding the extension as mp4. And now let's pass here more things as 4cc codec and pass here 20, and next let's pass the screen size. So call here screen size. Okay, that's it. We have made the output object, and now let's print that recording is started, and we can minimize the window in taskbar with pressing Q. We can adding the exit code as if you will click on Q, then it will exit the screen recording. So I will use here while true now, and under that we'll make the app for infinity time, and we'll break the loop when user will click Q. So let's pass here like image will be the screenshot from PyAutoGui. So let's call here PyAutoGui.screenshot. So it will be as a image, and now let's convert it to the NumPy array. Okay, so that we can use it in OpenCV. And now let's get the frame from numpy array we'll call np.array and let's pass the image here so that it will be changed in numpy array, and now we can operate it with OpenCV. So let's firstly convert the colors of that frame which numpy use is BGR and which OpenCV use is RGB. So let's convert it to RGB with calling cv2.cvt color and pass here frame, and also the color will be BGR to RGB. So it will be changed in RGB color. And now let's show the frame with calling IamShow method. So it will be shown, and let's pass the name of the recorder as a screen recorder and pass the frame here. So it will be shown. Now we have shown on the screen, but now we have to write this as a video. So we'll call here output and we'll pass write method and pass here frame in that, so that it will be changed in a video. And now if the user will click Q, then it will exit. So we'll call here wait key equals Q, and now if it will be happened, then it will show that recording finished and also break the loop. So we have made the things. Now let's close all the things like output and the windows of CV2. So we'll call here output dot release and now destroy all windows. So we have made the basic things here, and now I want that it will be minimized on taskbar automatically after starting the recordings. Okay, so we can add it on above. So let's go here, and now let's add some more codes here. So for that I'm going to import two more libraries here, and the first is I'm going to add the library is Win32 GUI and next is Win32 Con. Okay, we have already worked with these codings when we are making CCTV camera with OpenCV in Python in previous video. You can find the link of that video in the description box. So I will use here Win32 GUI and also Win32 Con. Okay, so I will not elaborate here what is happening. If you want the elaboration of these things, then you can go through the previous video and watch that. And we are also going to import time because we have used time.strf time here. So we'll also import time, and now let's import mkdir from OS to make the directory. When recordings folder will not be created in your project, then it will make the project folder. So I will call here import, and let's import only mkdir from OS. So we'll call from OS import mkdir, so it will make the directory. Okay, so let's create the first thing, that is directory. So we'll try that if nothing is created, then it will create the directory and the name of the directory will be recordings. Okay, be sure about the spellings of this because it will saved in this folder. Okay, mkdir recordings. Okay, now it will make the recordings folder, and now if it is in existence, So we'll handle the existence accept, and under accept I'm passing here file exists here, file exists error. Okay, the spelling is good. And now if it will be, then it will just pass. Okay, so it will make the directory called recordings for the first time running. And now let's make a method for minimizing our window. So we'll name it as minimize window. Okay, and under that I'm going to pass here window win32 GUI dot find window, and under the find window method we'll have to pass first thing, that is none. Sorry, it will be here. And the second thing is the window name, and our window name, as you can see here, that it is a screen recorder. Okay, so let's copy it and pass it here, screen recorder. So it will find the window with the name screen recorder, and now it will find the screen recorder. Now let's use win32 GUI dot show window, and under this I'm going to pass first thing is window, and next thing is win32 con dot sw underscore minimize. Okay, that's it. We have made the method for minimizing our window, and now let's call this minimize window at the appropriate place. Okay, now let's come out here, and I'm making a variable here called minimized, and I will initialize it as false. That means it is not minimized. Now let's come out below the IAMShow method, and I am adding here a conditional statement that if minimized equals true, okay, then it will just pass, and if it is not true, then it will minimized, so it will make it true, and also it will call minimize window method. Okay, so what's happening here, that when minimized equal be true, then it will do nothing, but it will be false, then it will minimized as true and will call minimized window. That means it will call minimized window only once. So let's save it and run our program. Now as you can see, it is recording, and here is the screen of that, and it has minimized. Let me close it with pressing Q, so it will show that recording finished. And let's go to the folder of recordings, and now let's refresh, and you will see that it is the video. Okay, and let's play it. Then you will see that it is high quality screen recording with 180 pixels or more. Okay, as you can see, it is showing out fine. So that is our program. If you have loved it, then please share to your friends so that they will be also benefited. I will share the source code on my blog, so you can get the source code from there. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates.